Guys, so today I'm gonna react on the video The Priest Officer Teaser 2 of Mammootty Sir. But before I start, hello and I'm Manali Naik, welcome to my channel नखरे वाली मोना. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो प्लीज टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. So let's go.
ഒരേ കുടുംബത്തിൽ തന്നെ അടുത്തടുത്ത് 3 ആത്മഹത്യ. സ്ട്രേഞ്ച്.
Mega star Mammootty.
ദൈവവഴിന്ന് മാറിയപ്പോൾ സ്ഥിരം കുറ്റാന്വേഷണമായിരുന്നു.
ആത്മഹത്യകളിലെല്ലാം ഒരു പാറ്റേൺ കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. ലൈക്ക് someone had designed it.
My God.
Something invisible was protecting her.
My God.
Let us throw some light in the darkness.
ശരിക്കും ഈ ഫാദർ ബെനഡിക്റ്റ് ആരാണ്?
The priest. Oh my God. Storm feels like. Oh my God. So I haven't reacted much on Mammootty sir's video or anything as such, but very few on which I have reacted on gives me excitement to react on many of his new teasers, trailers, and I have asked you many a times in my comment section as well that if you have any of the scenes of Mammootty sir or anything as such which is outstanding, you can please mail me and let me know because I would love to do that. Now talking about the Priest official teaser 2. So teaser speaks a lot. It will be suspense, crime, thriller, and movie from South. It means wow, it is going to give us chills as well. And Mammootty is a mega star. Mammootty sir, his looks, his everything is giving us lots and lots of excitement. Actually, I am totally excited for this because as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh my God, this is wow. So there is a family जिनका एक के बाद एक 3 लोगों ने suicide किया है. So there is some pattern behind it which they are trying to find it out, and this is gonna give you like chills. Like when you are sitting in the theater, I hope this gets released in the theater only. So when you will be sitting in the theater, what next? Because I have seen so many suspense movies from South, and I totally loved it. Let it be Drishyam or let it be so many other movies like Thadam or what was it? Oh my God, I have watched so many movies from this which is suspense, and I love it because you never know what is going to be next. And which keeps you involved in the movie throughout, and even after the movie gets finished, you'll be totally thinking about it. Oh my God, what happened? From where it happened? How did it happen? Oh my God. So these are the questions which you get after watching movies in your head, and this is what I find like, oh my God, I am totally gonna love it. And Mammootty sir, superb. I think this is not going to get released in 5 languages, and if it is going to get released in different languages, wow, that will be wow. Because see, again, this movie is going to be a blockbuster, suspense, thriller, and everything. It's going to be hit, and after it get hit, what will happen? Bollywood will make a remake of it. But I just wanted that the original one to reach in each and every corner of India, world, or wherever it is, and the original actor will get so much of fame, love, and everything, and that will be wow. Okay, of course, megastar Mammootty sir is already very famous, but still, man. So that's the reason. So there's a pattern behind it, and he said that some invisible power is protecting a girl. So in between I thought, is it horror as well? If it is not, it's good because I am totally afraid of horror movies or scenes or anything as such, but I don't think it is like that. It is invisible power. It means like there is someone who's protecting, and he's being invisible. I mean like he doesn't want to show his identity or something like that. Secret admirer, not what do we call that? Secret whatever. The one who is protecting, so might be that. But his looks and everything, there is a scene where you can see there is a Joker kind of person. So there are so many scenes which is going to give you chills and excitement and everything. And if there's someone just like me who loves suspense, crime, thriller, or anything such kind of movies, do let me know in the comment section below. And lots and lots of love to Mammootty sir. My God, you are rocking, rocking, and rocking. And once again, I want to remind you guys that I had once asked you earlier that there is a scene. I have heard that there is a movie in which Mammootty sir have acted he has played the role of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar sir. So if anybody is having any scene from that movie or anything as any other movie which is outstanding of him, do let me know in the comment section below because I would also love to explore, right? That's the reason. And how many Mammootty sir fans? Do like this video as much as you can and share as much as you can. I'm asking you because on your views I get to know what my audience have to watch and what not. So next time it becomes very easier to me to sort out that what my audience will love to watch, and accordingly I will sort out the videos and everything. So that's the reason I'm asking you to do that. So please do this. And I want to know the best movie of Mammootty sir as well in the comment section below. This is gonna come soon. They haven't announced that if this is going to come in theaters or anything as such, because the condition is again getting worse nowadays. And again, I don't know what will happen because movies and everything is something हमारी जान है जान. And already for a year, not a month, for a year you can say we were away from movies, travels and everything. थोड़ा सा 2 महीने हम बाहर निकले, थोड़ा सा enjoy किया, and again if there is something which is gonna happen, then it is like no, no ways. So I just loved it, which is the scene which gives you the chills and everything. So this is going to be crime thriller, no action, I guess. I feel there's no action in this because this is totally a thriller suspense kind of movie. Like Drishyam was like totally, I was thinking throughout the movie what will happen next, what will happen. There's one more South Indian movie, I don't remember the name. It is like a village mein hai. I guess this is that one was the old movie, and in the end she kills that person for money, and they get to know in the end that ये तो हमारा छोटा भाई है who left us when he was very small, and now he just came and he was just staying with us simply and just living a life with us and something like this. So that was also a thriller kind of movie. So I don't remember the movie. So this I am gonna love it like anything. I just hope that this gets released in Hindi as well, because I would love to watch it, and or English or anything as such. And if it is going to get released in OTT platform or theaters, do let me know in the comment section below. If you want more of such videos, do like this video as much as you can and share this video as much as you can. I want to repeat because in your views I get to know what audience have to watch and what not. And once the video gets hit by 10k views, I'll sooner be coming with a new video of the same theme or or the video which you have requested in my comment section. So baki parat mi aalets, ha, bye.